Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. To get notified mind-blowing latest technology news visible right in your YouTube homepage. Subscribe and click bell button. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. So in this video guide I'm going to show you how to update iOS 14 beta 7 version from iOS 13 version very first time. So I will show you how to do that. So first of all I'll show you my software version, so you can find it, which is software version 13.6.1. so at the moment when I am recording, iOS 13.7 has released, but I want to upgrade into iOS 14 version, not iOS 13.7 version. So here I'll show you how to update iOS 14 beta 7 version. Okay, now go to the Safari browser and go to this website. I have mentioned the link below in my video description. So once you go to the website, you have to log in through your Apple ID. So I'm going to continue with my Apple ID, and once you visit to this website, you can find here there is an option under install profile. You have to click the download profile button, so just click that and you have to click allow, and profile has downloaded. Now just close the window. Okay, now go to the settings and click profile downloaded, and here you can find install button. Just click that and enter your passcode and click install again. So that's it. Now click done, and now you have installed your downloaded profile. So now again go to the settings and click general and click software update. Now it's checking for update. Okay, now you can find iOS 14 developer beta 7 version has available to download. So this beta version of iOS should only be deployed on devices dedicated for iOS 14 beta software version. So now simply you can click download and install button and follow the instruction. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also don't forget to click bell button. Thank you. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to stay tuned more awesome latest tech videos. Thank you.